Well, it's Macro Monday, and today's topic is Keto Superfood you're probably underrating. The most overlooked keto food. Welcome to the Daily Spoonful, your daily bite of clarity, healing, and real food wisdom. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Today we're talking about another unsung hero, the ketogenic diet, eggs. They're affordable, versatile, and they're packed with nutrition. But many people are still afraid of them or they're just tired of eating them plain. Let's change that. So let's break this down. One large egg has about 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat, which is pretty close to keto perfection. But what makes eggs extraordinary is what you can see on the nutrition label. Choline for liver function and memory, vitamin D that supports immune health and mood, omega-3s if pasture raised have anti-inflammatory magic, B vitamins for energy, brain function, cellular repair, selenium and iodine for thyroid support. It's basically a multivitamin in a shell, and that yolk, that's where the good stuff lives. Please don't skip it. Today's spoonful. Eggs aren't just keto approved, they're metabolic medicine in disguise. I've had so many clients, and I have to say, there's times where I feel the same way, that they tell me they're sick of eggs. But it turns out they're sick of boring eggs. Once I show them how to turn those eggs into waffles, maybe wraps, muffins, even pizza crusts, they're sold. One of my favorite solutions is the chaffle. So try this today. Make a keto chaffle. That's a low-carb waffle made with 1 egg and a half a cup of shredded cheese. Crisp it up in a mini waffle maker and you've got something delicious and unexpected. You need ideas? You can use it for sandwich bread, as a burger bun, or a pizza base. Or just top it with some butter and salt. It's that good. Want the full recipe? I've got a printable card linked below. Don't underestimate the basics. Eggs are simple, but they're powerful. And with the right twist, they'll never feel boring again. Tomorrow, we'll drop a truth bomb that might just change how you think about food as medicine or poison. See you then.